Here we have a 2018 BMW 520d M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with £10,300 worth of optional extras, including the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch M Lite double spoke alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the Alpine white exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, gloss black front kidney grills, and the gloss black front splitter as well. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again excellent condition. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the black roof rails, we have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler as well. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Coming around to the rear you'll find the dual legs exhausts. We also have a power assisted tailgate. Coming back round now to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you'll find the full leather interior. We have a foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points down there. We also have the vents for the rear passengers, along with a 12-volt connectivity. Storage behind the front seats as well. On the doors you find the nice wooden finish just there, brush metal handles. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric windows and again the leather trim. Coming into the front you'll find the same full leather interior. However, both these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable as well. On the doors again we have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, the nice wooden finish just there, electric windows with child lock for the rear, electric mirrors as well. The driver's seat has the memory function as well. We also have the auto lights just down here, the auto wipers as well, a heated multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on either side. We also have the cruise control and speed limiter just there, digital dashboard up top and the main infotainment screen in the centre which has the likes of the sat nav. We have the DAB radio, we have the phone connectivity as well, ambient lighting, all of the different drive modes and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.